Good morning students. Today we are going to see a new topic that is called transportation. In our last class we seen about respiration, how glucose molecules are converted into energy we seen. Today we are going to see a new topic that is called transportation. So transportation means what? Yes, transportation means moving from one place to another place, that is called transportation. So in life process lesson we are dealing with human body. In our body what it is moving? Anybody says? Yes, blood is moving from one part of our body to another part of our body. That's why blood is called connective tissue, because it connects the every part of our body. Why blood want to move from one place to another place? Because it carries vital things for our body, cells and organs. Okay, and also it removes the waste material. Hence it is called connective tissue. It connects the every part of our body. See, it is a tissue. So tissue means what? So tissue means one or more similar cells form a tissue. So blood consists of two components mainly. First one is called plasma, second one is called blood cells. So plasma is the liquid part of the blood and second one is the blood cell. So there are three types of blood cells are there. One is RBC, second one is WBC and third one is platelets. Okay, so in this lesson we are mainly going to focus about the RBCs. Okay, so how blood is moving from one place to another place without any force? Yes, there will be a organ which gives the force for the blood to flow in the blood vessel throughout your body. Who is that organ? Yes, heart. Heart is the organ which gives the force for the blood to flow in the blood vessel throughout your body. Okay, today we are going to see about the organ heart. So, heart is a muscular organ which is made up of a muscle cell. What is the muscle cell property? There is an important muscle cell property behind it. See here, see, property of muscle cell is to contract and relax. That means shrink and relax. That means shrink and relax. This is the main property of the muscle cell. Because of this property only, our heart is pumping out the blood throughout your body. Okay, see here, is made up of 4 chambers. So our heart is made up of 4 chambers. How many chambers? 4 chambers. Yes, see here. So upper 2 chambers and lower 2 chambers. So this upper 2 chambers are called auricles and this lower 2 chambers are called ventricle. Okay, so this upper 2 chambers also called as receiving chambers. This lower 2 chambers also called as distribution chambers. Okay, why we are calling it a receiving chamber? What it is receiving? Yes, it receives blood. So it receives the blood from the body and also it receives the blood from the lungs. And below, these 2 chambers are called distribution chambers. Yes, these chambers are distributing blood to your body and also it takes blood to your lungs. Okay, that's why it's called receiving chambers and distribution chambers. Okay, our heart is made up of 4 chambers totally. So again our heart is divided into 2 divisions. That means, see here, right and left. Why we are dividing heart into this manner? Can anybody say why? Why we are dividing heart into this manner? That means right and left. Because right side of our heart is dealing with deoxygenated blood. What do you mean by deoxygenated blood? Yes, the blood containing more amount of carbon dioxide. Okay, more amount of carbon dioxide, that is called deoxygenated blood. See, left side of our heart is dealing with oxygenated blood. That means, yes, that means this blood will contain more amount of oxygen. Okay, see here. So upper 2 chambers are called receiving chambers and lower 2 chambers are called distribution chambers. And also heart is protected by a layer. Okay, our heart is protected by a special layer that is called, anybody guess what it is? Yes, that is called pericardium. So pericardium is the layer which protects the heart from the any harmful pathogens. So what is the main function of the pericardium? Yes, the main function of the pericardium is it acts as a lubricant. While our heart will shrink and relax, it will contact with the wall. So it will contact with that layer. So to avoid the friction, there will be a liquid Okay, there will be a liquid that is called, what it is called? Yes, pericardial fluid, because that fluid is present in between the heart wall and the pericardial layer. That is why that fluid is called pericardial fluid. Okay, see here. So this is the structure of the heart. See that this is the structure of the heart. So right side of our heart is dealing with the deoxygenated blood. That's why I mentioned here in a blue color. So our left side of our heart is dealing with the only oxygenated blood. That's why I marked here as a red color. Okay. In upcoming class, we are going to see how oxygen is entered into our bloodstream. Okay. We will see in next class. Thank you.